Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Instagram Reels undo feature or undo button feature. So let's get straight into the video. So generally what happens is when you're uploading a reel, so let's just say that I'm going to go ahead and add a different reel. Let's just say that clip right here. Now, if I'm going to go ahead and click on add clips and then let's just say add another one of it, maybe just a photo. Now I'm on the edit tab right over here. So if I don't want to go ahead and have any kind of mistake, so let's just say, for example, if I did this mistake right over here, which was a text. Now, if I want to undo that, all I need to do is click on this little undo button on the left hand side or click on the right hand side arrow to redo it. So it is as simple as that. And that is going to be a lot handy for reels whenever making any mistakes. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.